What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So about to take this 3-hour drive over into Dallas. It's a Jaguar F-Type that I'm trying to get my hands on, and it's looking a little spicy. So about to jump into RPM Garage over in Dallas and see what they got. Who knows, might have to check out a car show if they got any going on, and of course just hang out and enjoy the Dallas scene. You know what I'm saying? I got my road dogs with me, and yeah, we rolling. So stay tuned and show you what we got. Think I found it. The BMW i8 over here, RPM Garage. I think I found the one. Been looking for these cars for a minute. I came here because I saw a Jaguar F-Type, a blue one. They had it advertised online. Drove all the way from Shreveport, all the way from Houghton to Dallas, and I get here and it's sold. I don't know if I should let this bad boy get away, but it's clean. Check out the interior. This bad boy is clean. I got my road dogs with me. Got some clean cars in here. Got some clean cars in here. And then the big boy is in the corner. One day. So there we have it. Came down here, drove all this way. Come to find out, they sold the damn car. So what does that teach me? If you see something, you want it, go get it. Put the deposit on it and hold it. That way, you got dibs on it. I didn't do that. Some told me to call him. Actually, I did. I called him. I was at work. I called him. The phone rang, and I think the phone rang like 3 times, and then I got called away because I was at work when I called. I should have told the job to wait. I was busy. Just trying to make my dreams come true.
1,000 feet, keep left to continue on Texas 289 South Preston Road.
Thank you, Google Maps. But yeah, so I snoozed, I loosed. Or I snossed and I lost. I don't know. What is that? What is that saying? You snooze, you lose. Okay. Well, anyway, I snoozed and loosed.
Continue
I
on
can't.
Texas 289 South for 3 miles.
I can't make it. It's not funny. Sorry, people. I apologize. But anyway, I should have put a down payment on the damn car. If that car was available today, I would have bought it. But it wasn't. So on with the search. I'll let you know what I find.